All right, so if you are finished with filling that your information about quadrilaterals out, then we're ready to fill in this graphic organizer. And this graphic organizer is something that we want to be able to refer back to always. So at the top, we're going to put the word quadrilateral because all of the shapes that we've been talking about are quadrilaterals. That's 4 sides, 4 vertices. 4 sides. Make that an S. Quadrilaterals. It's plural. And then we want to first think about that strange quadrilateral, the one that's out there all by itself that has that unique piece. And so that unique quadrilateral that we're talking about would be our trapezoid. Because remember, it only has one set of parallel lines. That's why we call it our strange uncle from the other side. All right, and then if you're not a trapezoid, you might be called a parallelogram. And when you're a parallelogram, you could be more specialized with equal sides, and we could call you a rhombus. Or you might have specialized attributes that may say you have 4 right angles, so you could be considered a rectangle. Now, if you have both of those attributes, then we can call you a square. So filling this out, this will help you be able to kind of think about what quadrilaterals are. So if you're a square, can you be called a rectangle? Yes, you can. But are all rectangles considered a square? No, they are not. Parallelograms. Are parallelograms automatically squares? No. Are squares automatically parallelograms? Yes. So I like to tell my boys and girls that you can always go back up from the bottom and classify yourself, but just because you're at the top doesn't mean you always flow all the way to the bottom. You might get stopped somewhere by some kind of defining attribute. Okay, so if you have all the attributes at the bottom, you can certainly go back up to the top, but if you're at the top, you don't necessarily make it all the way to the bottom. Okay, make sure you have that filled out.